In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process orders in WooCommerce. First, open your WordPress website and head into the admin dashboard. From the main menu on the left, click WooCommerce. This is the control center for your store. Next, click Orders. You'll see a list of recent orders with details like order number, date, customer, total, payment method, and current status. Take a moment to identify the exact order you want to process so you don't update the wrong one. You can glance at the order number and the total to confirm you have the right match. Select the order you want to work on. This opens the Orders Detail page. Here, you'll see a summary of the items purchased, quantities, and prices, along with billing and shipping information. At the top area, you can also see the current status of the order. Before you change anything, quickly scan the details to make sure everything looks correct. This quick check helps prevent accidental changes on the wrong order. Now it's time to update the order. Look for the Order Actions area and click the small arrow to open the drop-down. This is where you tell WooCommerce what should happen next. Choose the option that reflects what stage this order should be in. Common statuses include processing when payment is in and you're preparing the order, completed when everything is finished, or on hold if you need to pause the order for a moment. Pick the choice that matches your workflow, then click to apply it. Once you've selected and clicked the action, the order's status will update. You should see that change reflected on the order page and back on the orders list. If you're managing multiple orders, repeat the same approach. Open WooCommerce, click Orders, select the next order, and update its status using the drop-down. Accurate statuses are important because they communicate progress to anyone managing the store and keep your records clean for later reviews and reports. Keeping them up to date reduces confusion, speeds up daily work, and makes it easier to spot orders that need attention. A couple of tips as you go. Always double-check the order number before making changes and try to keep your statuses consistent so your team and your customers understand where each order stands. If you're ever unsure which status to pick, use the one that best communicates the current situation and aligns with your store's process. And that's it. You've opened your WordPress website, gone into WooCommerce, selected the order you want to process, and updated its status using the Order Action drop-down.